Listen to this for a moment.
Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. Welcome! Today I show you 4 new magic chords that unlock thousands of classics. We'll keep it easy and you'll be playing along in no time. These are special shapes of the C chord, A minor, F chord and G major. Just one little trick makes them super simple. Think Elvis Presley, Can't Help Falling in Love, Billy Joel's Piano Man, Willie Nelson's Always on My Mind, or the Beatles' Let It Be, all with these 4 chords. Our first chord, C major with a twist. Left pinky on C. Left thumb on G. And now just play C, G, pinky, thumb. 4 times with me. 2, 3, pinky, thumb, and one more time, pinky, thumb. Perfect! Now the right hand, thumb plays C, the middle finger on E. Same loop, C, E, C, E. Let's do 4 reps. Nice and steady. Thumb, middle finger. One more time, C, E. Nice! So now both together. Left hand C, left hand G, right hand C, right hand E. Let's do this 4 times. Left pinky, left thumb, right thumb, right middle finger. One more time. Left pinky, left thumb, right thumb, right middle finger. One more time. C, G, C, E. One more time. C, G, C, E. Great! And that's our special C shape. Super powerful. Okay, next chord, A minor. Again, slightly special. All you need to do, move your left pinky and thumb down 1, 2 to A and E. Let's do this for 4 times. The right hand stays on C and E, and now we have A left pinky, E left thumb, C right thumb, and E right middle finger. 4 reps. A, E, C, E. One more time, left pinky finger, left thumb, right thumb, right middle finger. Again, left pinky, left thumb, right thumb, right middle finger. One more time, A, E, C, right, and E. Fantastic! That's the A minor chord, done. Next, the next chord, F, a fancy version. Again, the left hand goes 1, 2 white keys down, and we have F and C. The right hand is still on C and E and does not move. So, on the left we have F, C. On the right we have C and E. Now let's do 4 reps. Left pinky, left thumb, right thumb, right middle finger. One more time. Left pinky, F. Left thumb, C. Right thumb, C. Right middle finger, E. F, C. C, E. One more time. F, C. C, and E. Lovely! That's our F chord, a fancy version. Finally, let's move on to G. All we need to do now is bring the left hand one white key up to G and D. So we have G, D, and the right hand remains C and E. G and D on the left, C and E on the right. Let's do this 4 times. G, D, C, and E. One more time. G, D, C, and E. One more time. G, D, C, and E. Perfect. G locked in. Now let's line them up. C major. Left hand goes down to A minor. Right hand stays. Then F major. And G major. And 2 reps each chord. Watch this very slowly. C major. 1 and twice. Left hand goes down. 1, 2. And we play the next chord, A minor. One more time. Next, the left hand goes down. 1, 2. And we play this. One more time. And for the G major chord, we go up 1 white key. Also 2 times. Let me play this a little faster for 2 times, and then I will play the example songs for you in a second. Let's do this again. Same speed. And when I play this a little faster, it sounds like this. This is already powerful, and there's so much more you can do. And speaking of more, I've got a free piano crash course for beginners with step-by-step lessons plus an ebooks of chord charts. It's free right now. Just click the link below or visit my website verdemusica.com to sign up with your first name and email address for free. Pause the video, do this now, and then come back to this video so that we can go on. Okay, welcome back. Let's loop these chords again. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, won't you stand by me? Just as long as you stand by me. So, use the pedal if you have one. This will blend the notes beautiful together. Without pedal, it sounds like this. And with pedal, it sounds like this. And if your fingers need a rest, just shake them out and dive right back in. So now let me play some of the classic songs you can play with these chords. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be, let it be. I do have one bonus trick for you. Remember, until this point, our right hand always stayed at these two notes, right? And we keep it like this. But our left hand can move to any key that we want, as long as we keep this shape with pinky and thumb. And this will unlock nearly every song that you can imagine. Let me now give you some examples. Sing us the song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could. Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. If I made you feel second best, girl, I'm sorry I was blind. You are always on my mind. You are always on my mind. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life was old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, and moving like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be. And in my house of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be. 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 Whisper words of wisdom. Let it be. Singers a song, you're the piano man. Singers a song tonight, 'cause we're all in the mood for a melody, and we've got us feelings alright. La da 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 da, la da 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 da. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't
of green, red roses too. I see them blue for me and you.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Next, I have 25 mind-blowing songs. So easy and beautiful, it's almost like cheating. Click this video to watch more.